A Few Minutes with Fade to Black, episode 2 starts now. What's up, guys? My name is Wayne. This is Fade to Black. I love cars and trucks. I love auto restyling. So hopefully that what brings you here as well. So let's talk about A Few Minutes of Fade to Black, episode 2. Remember, hit that like button because that lets YouTube know that you guys are there. You guys are making it happen. And remember, this video series is about what you guys got going on and about you guys commenting and engaging with each other, and hopefully we all learn. I'm excited about this video series, and I think together we can make it happen. So like squad in full effect, let's do it. So once again, keep in mind, if you have topics for videos, let me know. Leave it down below. Like I said, it's not all about what I'm thinking about, it's what you guys are thinking about and what you guys want to talk about on the weekly video, Few Minutes of Fade to Black series. So for this video, I want the topic to be about what your next car or truck mod is. What's your next mod? What is something that you're planning, that you're preparing for, that you want to do to your vehicle next? Now, I was back here looking at some vinyl that I had in the shop. I thought that I was out of vinyl, so I found some. So what I'm gonna do is add a little bit more vinyl to the rear driver area to my vehicle. If you've seen the other video where I wrapped the fender, I'll leave a link to that right here. I wrapped the fender and I was gonna do some stuff. I thought I ran out, but I actually had a little bit more than what I thought. So I was digging through some vinyl, I found some more. So for me, that's probably gonna be one of my next mods. And you guys know I will film that, so you can check that out too. One of the things that's cool to me about having a small business is I get people that say, Wade, I like to do this. Can you help me? Or Wade, have you ever done this? And it always brings new ideas. So that's what made me think about doing this, is like, you guys can bring ideas and we can talk about things like I've never thought about before. So that's cool to always get new things popping in the head and new things and challenges that might come across your plate. Also remember, it's all about your interaction. So leave a comment, like squad in full effect, give a thumbs up for the video. That lets YouTube know that you guys are out there and you guys are making it happen. Like I said, it's not all about us, the content creators, it's about you guys, man. So that's why I want to have this video series. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all your help and support with my channel. Remember, if you have a topic for A Few Minutes with Fade to Black weekly video series, leave it down below, man. It's all about what you guys want to hear, what you want to talk about. It's all about you guys. So leave it down below, comment, engage with other people, and I hope this will take off and be a success and we can all learn from each other. So if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button. Hopefully we got Like Squad in full effect. Give the video a like. And then once again, Fade to Black, A Few Minutes. We'll be back soon with another video. You know I always got other videos coming as well. So until then, stay faded. Peace.